Today I'm going to discuss the most important chapter is deep water of the 12th class student. Douglas was an advocate of the individual right. He was judge at the Supreme Court of USA who was retired in 1975 with a term lasting 36 years, who remains the longest service justice in the history of the court. In this story, Douglas talks about his fear of water and how he finally overcome with strong willpower, courage, hard work, and firm determination. Once he took courage, the fear vanished, which shows that most of our fear are baseless. Fear creates dangers where there is none. The writer experience further confirmed the probable truth. Where there is a will, there is a way. Now, the character sketch of the William Douglas is very important. William Douglas had a desire to learn the swimming since childhood. At the age of the 30, At the age of the 3 or 4, he was knocked down and buried by a wave at a beach in California. He developed a great aversion to water. At the age of 10 or 11, he decided to learn to swim with water wings at YMCA pool since it was safe that shadow wings. There was a misadventure while sitting along and waiting for the others to come at the YMCA pool. A big boy came and threw Douglas into the deep end of the pool. Douglas swallowed water and went straight down to the bottom of the pool. While going down, he planned to make a jump upward, but came up slowly. He also tried to shout but could not able to do it properly, and terror held him deeper and deeper. During the third trial, he sucked water inside of air. Light was going out and there was no panic. Therefore, ceased all effort and he became unconscious and crossed to the oblivion. When revived, find himself vomiting beside the pool. He was in grip of fear of water and deprived him of the joy of canoeing, boating, swimming and fishing. He hired an instructor to learn swimming. The instructor taught him swimming piece by piece. He went to different lakes to swim, and tiny vestiges of fear still gripped him. He challenged the fear and swam and swimming up and down the warm lake he finally overcome his fear of water. He realized that in death there is peace and there is terror only in fear of death. So the conclusion of this story is that through the story, deep water we comes to know that we have enough courage and determination in order to come up any fear that comes our way without letting the fear overpower us. So by this story we comes to know that how Douglas overcome up from his fear from his trip, faith, determination, courage and power, which will give him a willpower. And he also mentioned the truth that where there is a way, there is a will, there is a way. जहाँ चाह है वहाँ राह है. When a person is truly determined by anything, he will come over any kind of fear. So, by this structure of the answer, you will get the maximum marks. First of all, you have to get the um, write the Douglas introduction and then the story, how he talks about his fear of water and how he finally overcomes with a strong will, power, courage, hard work, and firm determinations. And the character stage of the William Douglas is also very important. Douglas had a desire to learn the swimming since childhood, and at the age of 3 or 4, he was knocked down and buried by the wave at a beach in the California. And how he also tried to shout but could not able to do it properly, and terror held him deeper and deeper. And he hired an instructor to learn the swimming. The instructor taught him swimming, taught him his swimming piece by piece. He went to the different lakes to swim, and tiny vestige of fear still gripped him. And the conclusion of the story is also very important. You have to write the conclusion. And by this story, we comes to know that if we have the enough courage and determinations to come over any kind of fear, we can come over very easily without letting the fear overpower us. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much.